Hi folks, it's Steve Grizzetti, co-founder of MoviePix.com and author of the MoviePix.com Guide to Vegas Movie Studio Platinum. And here we are in Movie Studio Platinum. We are about to create a chroma key effect. So we've got a background here on our timeline on our video track 3. And then, of course, to simplify things, I always get rid of this picture-in-picture track. It's the single most annoying thing in the program, if you ask me. So we'll delete that track. And the text track, of course, is a video track also, and we're going to use that to place our chroma key on. So I'm going to grab this green screen shot and drag it on down here to our video track 2. And so we've got our actor standing in front of a green screen, and as you know, with chroma key, the keying effect is going to make that green screen behind him transparent so that we see our new background or our artificial background behind him. We have a little problem though. We had a low budget when we shot this green screen thing. We only had a small green screen. It didn't cover the entire picture. And if you look around the outside of the picture, you can see some of the studio behind the actor. Now, the chroma keyer is going to make the green screen transparent, but it's not going to make any of this other garbage around the outside transparent. How do we get rid of that? The trick is to apply a crop and crop off all except for the green screened area and then add the chroma key to the green screen or to the green part of the picture. Let me show you what I mean. With this event selected here on the timeline, I'm going to click FX. I'll open it up and I'm going to select the crop effect, Vegas crop effect, and add it. And why not, for good measure, we'll also add the chroma keyer, because we're going to have to do that eventually anyway. So add that also, click OK. And for now, I'm going to uncheck chroma keyer so that none of what it's doing is going to affect what we're doing with crop. Let's resize this preference screen here, or the video event FX screen, a little bit, because we're going to need to use all of the space in here. And then all we need to do is trim off the garbage with the crop effect. So I'm going to do that by selecting the X crop. That will trim in the sides. If you'd prefer, you can actually grab these little knobs here on the sides and do it manually. There we go. And so we only have the area of the green screen behind the actor now. I'm also going to scrub through here quickly, move my playhead through the entire thing to make sure the actor at no point steps outside of my crop, which he doesn't, which is great. And now we can go over here to the chroma keyer. We'll select that and change our preferences for that particular effect. Right now it's set to a blue screen. Let's go ahead and select the preset for a green screen, see what it does. And the green screen preset doesn't quite do it for us, so let's set it back to default. And then we'll toggle open color and take our eyedropper and sample that green area behind our actor. Then we'll need to make some adjustments here to the threshold. I always check show mask only when I'm working with green screen. That will show me what areas are transparent and what areas are not. We'll adjust the threshold here for the color, bring down the high threshold so that our actor is not removed from the picture, and then we'll uncheck the box, make some fine-tuning adjustments here to blur. There we go. And that's not a bad looking green screen shot. A little bit artificial looking. Caught the actor in a pretty uncomfortable position. Let's move the playhead for that. But there we go. We have cropped off. I'll uncheck the effects here so you can see what we did. Again, we cropped off the garbage or the area outside of the green screen, and then we applied the chroma keyer only to the green screen, and we've got a very nice green screen shot using a clip in which the green or the blue screen background did not cover the entire clip. Officially, that's called garbage matting, and it's just a way of cleaning up your green screen or blue screen or chroma key effects. Now, if you want to know more about this program and how to do these kind of tricks, be sure and check out the MoviePix.com Guide to Movie Studio Platinum, as well as the tips and tutorials we have at MoviePix.com. I'm Steve Grizzetti. I'm the guy who wrote the book. Thanks for joining me. Hope to see you again real soon.